Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix subtitle not showing on your YouTube. Now, if you try to watch any video on your YouTube and you notice that the subtitle is not showing, you cannot find this CC at the top right corner, what you have to do is this. First of all, you just have to go to your Play Store and update your app. So right here on my Play Store or App Store, depending on your device, just type in YouTube. So when you type it in like this, you just click on the update option and update it to the latest version. The next step you can actually take is to go to home page of your screen, click steadily on the app, click on the app info. So you have to click on storage and cache and clear your cache. Most times some of these videos might not have the subtitle option in the video, so if you try this and make sure you have good internet connection, I believe it will work for you. But if it do not work, you know that it is particularly from the video, is not from you, or from the app, is particularly from that particular video. That is how the producer of that video wants it to look. So I hope with this guide you're able to fix subtitle not showing on YouTube video. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks like this. Thanks for watching.